often told to find our purpose as if it's a treasure which is buried somewhere far away. But what if purpose is not something you need to find? It's something you actually live by day, breath by breath. If you've ever wondered, what am I really here for? This episode will remind you that you do not have to have it all figured out to live a deep, meaningful life. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And today's conversation is one which I wish somebody had with me years back. Because for the longest time, I actually believed my purpose was in this one big thing I had to hunt for. This one big thing. And I was constantly hunting for it because until I found it, I would be lost. Whether I didn't know what it was. It could have been a passion, a job, a mission. I always used to just be after something which I didn't know what I was after. But through the years, through my journey of life, through the people I've worked with, I have realized and I have understood that purpose is not a destination. Purpose is not something you have to hunt for. It's not a treasure which is buried somewhere far away. It's not a title. It's not a business or a goal. Purpose is practice. Yes, purpose is practice because purpose is how you show up. It is the way you pour love into ordinary moments of your life. It's the energy you bring into your relationships. If you've been searching for purpose, I invite you to take a pause today. Because what if it's already here? Let's explore this together. These are 5 ways to practice purpose without waiting for a big epiphany. Firstly, define for yourself what fulfillment means to you, what fulfillment feels like to you, not what it looks like to you. Start by asking yourself, when do I feel most alive? Because believe it or not, it's not when you're achieving great milestones that you may feel most alive. It may be in the smallest of things. It may be in quiet conversations, creative moments, or acts of service that you may feel most alive. So your purpose actually lives in feelings. It does not live in those big accolades or achievements. Number 2, turn your ordinary moments into sacred ones. Now, purpose does not exist in grand gestures. Remember that. It exists in the way you make someone else feel. It's in the way you make someone else feel seen, feel heard, feel wanted. The way you show up with integrity, the way you speak kindly when you could choose to be silent. Purpose is practiced in presence. Number 3, detach from the myth that purpose should be productive. Now, most of us are only told that, okay, purpose has to be more income, more results, more recognition. But what if your purpose was simply to bring a smile on somebody's face? What if your purpose was simply to bring more truth, more love, more light into this world? No matter what you're doing, where you are, you always like to, bring happiness to people, to light up the world. You always like to give love, surround, yourself with love. Some of the most powerful purposes are unseen, quiet, and deeply nourishing. So, detach yourself from this myth that if it's not giving you any income or recognition, it's not your purpose. Number 4, let purpose evolve with you. Now, you keep changing, right? You're not the same person you were 10 years back or 5 years back or 2 years back. So, when you've changed and you're not the same person, how can you have the same purpose then? So even your purpose keeps evolving with you. Okay? And just as you are allowed to outgrow your dreams, you are allowed to shift your directions, you are allowed to redefine what meaning looks like in this chapter of your life. Purpose is not fixed, it flows. Just as you move on, your life moves on, your journey moves on, purpose moves on with you, it flows with you. Number 5, ask, who do I want to be today, right now, in this present moment? Not what I want to achieve today, what I want to be today. How do I want to show up? Purpose is found in your being, not just your doing. Every time, my friend, you choose love over fear, clarity over chaos, grace over guilt, you are living with purpose. So, if you've been waiting to feel ready before you start living your life with purpose, I hope this episode gave you the permission to start right now. Because purpose is not in the future, purpose is in the present. Purpose is the way you live today. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I hope you enjoyed listening to me. If you did, like, comment, and share this episode with whoever needs to hear this today. Subscribe to my channel, Flight to Fulfillment, on Spotify, Apple, or YouTube, so that you can keep getting these daily little nuggets of inspiration. Till my next episode, this is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off for now with all my love. And I also want to tell you this before I leave, that celebrate. Celebrate yourself. Live every day in the present. Live the present moment, because your present moment, your right now, is your purpose. I'll see you soon next time. Bye-bye.